Recognizing and eliminating irregularities is crucial for efficient and reliable quality management. You have 3 ways to quickly handle open issues in your documentation. First, you can work on incidents in the HACCP calendar within the web dashboard if it's included in your license. All users, regardless of their booked license model, can access the issue section, where all irregularities are displayed for further processing. This section is also available in the app. However, it depends on your given permission whether you are allowed to access it or not. We recommend using the calendar for the occasional processing of individual incidents. Simply open a checklist that contains an irregularity and select the corresponding task. You will find the most important information on the status of the task in the highlighted header. Further details can be found in the task log, including when the task was completed and synchronized with the server. To mark a task as resolved, you can use the suggested quick answers or enter your own text under Other at the bottom of the list. Alternatively, tasks can be reopened to send them back to the app for reevaluation, allowing you to set a suitable time frame for reprocessing. If you need to process several incidents at the same time, as is often the case with the undone tasks that have expired and thus are marked in red, the issue section is the place to go. You can use the search bar and various filters to spot specific tasks if you know what you are looking for. Please note that the availability of the filters depends on your selected license package. To select several or all tasks, open the corresponding days and then select the desired tasks. With just 3 clicks and a standardized explanation, you can mark all tasks as resolved. This allows you to quickly process weeks or months of open issues. Remember that a maximum of 30 tasks can be reopened and thus sent back to the app for re-evaluation. If you have more tasks to work on, you will need to do this in separate steps. Users with the app permission to mark tasks as resolved can simply switch from the checklist view to the issue section within the app. The procedure is similar to the web dashboard. First select the issue type and then one or more tasks. Then click on the floating issues selection button to decide whether the task should be reopened or marked as solved. The app also offers a search function and filter options with the funnel icon. All your entries, whether in the app or in the web dashboard, are securely stored in the system, along with your username and the timestamp of the action. Your notes are immediately accessible in reports and in the calendar. Tasks that were previously displayed in red, orange, or purple now appear in blue in the calendar and are marked resolved. This makes it easy to see which tasks have had issues in the past and who marked them as solved, when and why. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and leave your feedback.